Hello, welcome back to my channel, and thank you very much to all my subscribers. So today I'm going to reveal the secret of how to cook this famous gorgeous chicken inasal. This recipe is very well known in my region, Visaya, Philippines. Inasal is a Spanish word. It means barbecue. Sauce to marinate: 1 1/3 cup ginger ale or pop, 1/3 cup vinegar, 1 squeezed lemon, 4 tablespoons soy sauce, 10 pieces minced garlic, 2 thumbnail ginger, 2 tablespoons onion powder, 2 tablespoons lemongrass powder, black pepper, and salt, and mix it well. In a Ziploc bag, put your chicken and your sauce and mix it together and marinate overnight. For the Anato oil, in a pan, Anato seeds, and put your olive oil and bring it to boil. After overnight marination, we preheated the oven for 350 degrees and bake the chicken about 50 minutes. In your chicken, brush Anato seed oil to enhance the color. And for your preheated oven, bake your chicken for 50 minutes. And preheated grill. After baking 50 minutes, grill your chicken for about 10 minutes. And then brush again with your Anato seed oil. Covered and wait for 10 minutes. And voila! You have your inasal grilled chicken indoor. Now it's ready to serve. Look at that, it's perfect. So gorgeous. The color is so inviting to eat. If you like my video, please like and subscribe, share, and leave comments below. And thank you very much to all my subscribers and supporters. I really appreciate it. Let's eat. And thank you for watching. Bye.